Hi guys, let me show you how I made these cheese poppers with homemade breadcrumbs. But first, check out this cheese pull. Note you can use shake and bake or panko instead of breadcrumbs, and cheddar instead of Havarti as I used here. For the breadcrumbs, we'll break them into smaller pieces and then bake them in the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes to dry out the bread. Then we'll place the dried out crumbs into a disposable plastic bag. I didn't have a food processor, nor did I have a rolling pin, so I had to use this broken meat tenderizer. I used it to roll out and beat bread to get crumbs. Then I tied the plastic bag and ripped out a small quarter of the bag to pour out the crumbs. Afterwards, I separated the bigger pieces. I used the broken mallet to further break down the crumbs. Afterwards, I put it aside, put in a half cup of flour, used 1 egg, placed in 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of oil. Now you're going to whisk everything together. Take out your block of cheese and cut them into smaller blocks. Line up your breadcrumbs, egg mixture, flour, and cheese. Get your air fryer tray. You want to line your air fryer with wax paper for easy cleanup. Place the cheese blocks in flour to coat them. Now place them into the egg mixture you previously made. You're going to want to do that with all the blocks, just so they have that flour coating and then the egg coating as the second layer. Now place them into the breadcrumbs previously made. Coat the cheese blocks with the breadcrumbs. Place them in the air fryer tray. So I'm speeding this up just so we can go on to the next step. Speed up! The excess breadcrumbs can be used for another batch if you have any left over. I did place them in the air fryer at 160 degrees for 8 minutes, but I would recommend you use a lower temperature like 80 degrees and check at the 5-minute mark. Bum, bum, bum. So the cheese melted out of the breading. So I messed up. But check out how melted the cheese is. Garnish with green onion and cilantro. You know, it's still enjoyable even though the cheese melted. Enjoy! Check out this cheese pull. Ooh. Thanks for watching.